If you want to live longer, be happy, healthy, and successful, all you have to do is think positive. Positive thinking is the hope that keeps us going in the right direction by reinforcing the positive attitude, focusing on the bright side of life. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, the students of Class 10A would like to speak on the topic Positive Thinking Touchstone to Success. Positive thinking makes our life full of hope and optimism that something good lies ahead of all the problems and makes it easier to avoid worry and negative thinking. A positive attitude helps in boosting confidence. Confidence plays a crucial role in attaining success and happiness in life, and positive thoughts shape the path of our success. We would like to spread some positive vibes with our viewpoints. Now, Gauri Bhargava will say the morning prayer.
I request you all to join your hands for the morning prayer. Let's be thankful for whatever we have and say this prayer. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for this glorious universe. Thank you, God, for this abundant planet. Thank you, God, for my life. Thank you, God, for the lives of all those whom I love. Thank you, God, for the gracious generosity of friends. Thank you, God, for this new day. Thank you, God, for your countless blessings and love. Thank you, God. The thought of the day will be shared by Bani Ahuja.
The thought of the day is rise up, start fresh, and see the bright opportunity of each day. I repeat, rise up, start fresh, and see the bright opportunity of each day. Today's news will be read by Jahan Gupta.
Today's national news. Veteran soldiers from the Indian and Pakistani armed forces join hand to ring peace. Twitter has failed to comply with IT rules, Centre tells Delhi High Court. International news. Singapore addresses people to avoid exercising for a week after vaccination. America coming back together but battle against COVID not over yet, says US President Biden. Sports news. BCCI prepare blueprint for the IPL franchise player retention. Euro 2020 England return to Wembley for a bigger battle. Today's weather is 36 degrees Celsius and highest would be 39 degrees Celsius and lowest would be 31 degrees Celsius. Now I would like Snendu Patapyal to share his views.
The power of positive thinking. The power of positive thinking is remarkable. We must think the best is going to happen and not the worst. Healthy, happy people think about what they want and how to get it. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. We need to know how to use the power of our mind. Some people refer to their hidden abilities as mind power. Others call it the power of their subconscious mind or the power of positive thinking. The truth is that it is all of them. We learn in many ways. When we are interested and absorbed in a subject, we learn very fast. Our state of mind controls our learning. Our conscious and subconscious state of mind must work together to create a balanced personality. In other words, one should tell oneself I can and not I can't. I now request Saina to share her views.
Positive attitude helps to cope more easily with the daily affairs of life. Positive attitude may include the choice of positive words while speaking or even thinking, forgiving and allowing oneself to move on, practicing gratitude, improving self esteem, and being mindful of a voice in our head. Enjoying the unexpected, even when it's not what you wanted originally, or motivating those around you with a positive word works wonderfully well. Positive attitude holds a key role in effective communication. This is because it helps people connect better and proves to be more empathetic. Positive thinking is not only about expecting the best to happen, but it is also about accepting whatever happens is for the best. Keeping a dynamic, positive attitude, people who get the breaks believe in themselves and in their abilities. I now request Kushant to share his ideas.
It is a choice we make. To have a positive day or to follow in the Every problem has a solution, and failures always lead to learning something we can use later. The bottom line is, it's our choice how we live our life. The amazing effects of positive thinking include first, better health. Reinforcing positive thinking helps to fight off whatever bug is going on. Second, strengthens immunity. While negative thoughts can weaken our immune response, positive thinking assists a great deal in battling multiple ailments. Boost confidence. Positive thoughts and behavior lead to confident and self-assured individuals. 4. Key to success. It is a fact that people who think positive are more probable to remain successful in life than people with negative thoughts. I now request Vishal to express his views.
Now, what I'm going to share with all of you is a daily positivity kit. Toothpick to remind us to pick out the good qualities in others. Rubber band to remind us to be flexible. Things may not always go the way we want, but they will work out. Pencil to remind us to list our blessings every day. Eraser to remind us that everyone makes mistakes and it is okay. Chewing gum to remind us to stick with our goals and we can accomplish anything. Band aid to remind us to heal hurt feelings, ours or someone else's. Tea bag to remind us to relax daily and go over the list of our blessings. Focus on the good things, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. If you look for it, you can always find the silver lining in every cloud. Now I request Sana Dhal to share her thoughts.
What we can do, let us talk about sleep. A good night's sleep can do wonders for how we feel the next day. Meditation. Studies have shown that people who meditate daily display more positive emotions. Benefits of meditation are increased mindfulness, purpose in life, social support, and many more. Exercises. Exercising for as little as 10 minutes release neurotransmitters that soothe the brain, and positive messages push our brain to go the extra mile. Quick tips to enable positive thinking. Winners do it in spite of problems. They don't look out for problems. Do not respond to negative energy with negative energy. Respond with love. Try it. Be appreciative of what you have. Standing acts of kindness. Actions do speak louder than words. All it takes is a little extra here and a little extra there, and it really adds up. If you want light to come into your life, you need to stand where it is shining.
Happy people, those with a positive outlook, are not just happier but also seem to achieve much more. While success may lead to happiness, there is very little question that happiness also leads to success. Finding time to be positive about your life and to do the things that make you feel positive, emotions like happiness, is vital to helping you to develop skills and grow as a person. Hope you liked today's assembly. I now request Principal Ma'am to say a few words of encouragement.
Good morning, children. Thank you so much for a very lovely assembly. And you're talking about the positive attitude. You're talking about being in the creative space. Early morning, these thoughts are fantastic. I really love the way you picked up the things that are around you, the rubber band and the band-aid and everything, and how these can be constant reminders to you about being in a positive space. When we talk about creativity, that's supposed to be one of these skills that all the students, all the individuals must have. In our country, if you see, there's so much of talent, but creating new things is something that's not happening. And we have to somewhere delve deeper and try and understand that how is it that we are not able to create new things, and it's only kind of we are repeating. So even if you talk about your projects, you talk about your craft, you talk about the paintings that you learn in the school, it's so repetitive in nature. If you just look around, I mean, as teachers, when we look at the boards and we look at things, very rarely we come across original stuff, and it's very often a repetition or something that you have googled or something that you researched upon, and not something that's coming from within. And uh, when you want to do something big, something new, something novel, it has to be coming from a creative space, and creative space is nowhere outside, it's within you. and to be able to think positive, to be able to think and believe that things can be created, and dreaming big. This is where creativity begins. And very often, we are not in that space. We are mostly in a space of doubt, self doubt, people doubting us, people telling us this can't happen right at the beginning. One of you said that let's not say I can't, let's say I can. So this belief that we can have in our own selves, the belief that others can have in us, becomes the most important component for creativity. And that is where I think all of us, when we talk about parents, when we talk about teachers, when we talk about you people as friends, we have to become enablers for each one to dream big, to believe big, and thereby to be able to create big. I'm particularly talking about creation because nothing beautiful comes out of nothing. There has to be a seed somewhere, there has to be the ground somewhere, and the conducive environment. And this conducive environment is what we are talking about, which comes from positivity. No one person can do it all alone. The person has to be positive, the family has to be positive, the friends, the teachers, everybody has to support. And the thought that you've taken up early morning should remind us forever that we have to be in positive space, not just for ourselves, but for everybody, so that each one is able to reach to one's fullest capacity. And we have to get out of the space of doubt, self doubt, doubting others. That has to stop. That has to stop. So, thank you so much for bringing such a lovely assembly. And if you really think deeper, it's a beautiful topic that you people have taken up. Stay with this now and forever, because that's the only way we can redeem ourselves and reach to our glory as a nation. That's very important. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and congratulations, class and the class teacher, for a lovely assembly. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the kind words. I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.